As I said, I came here in 1943 to work for the Treasury Annex. It was for the war, the duration of the war, and 6 months after it. We did cancel checks make sure that every, the name was spelled right and that the person that the check went to, that they their name was on the check in the back. Oh, I'm telling you, I was really happy. I couldn't. I had I didn't expect that. I really didn't. I didn't know, that I was going to get a certificate.